it's running. Currently I only have the alternator belts on, so there's no power steering at the moment, or the AC compressors. So, as you can see, belts are on, fans are on. So far, no noticeable leaks. Running real great. Let's so here's my little can that I'm running off of. I wanted to try and see if I can get this, if I can test the valve or not, but wasn't able to get it on the, get the current hose on it very well, so that's that going. Definitely sounds healthy, that's for sure. Let's take a look at the back side here. Really cleaned up. It's no longer smoking. Take a look at the gauges here. I don't like that the oil pressure gauge isn't showing anything. And let's see. Let's see if we can get the tickle the but it's definitely smoothed out since first time starting it. Definitely quieted it down. Hardly smoking too. There's just a little bit of water coming out of the pipes here. Sound fairly healthy.